Hotel guests are primarily concerned with the cleanliness of their room. So, we've made a list of hotel housekeeping top cleaning tips and tricks that will save you and your staff time and keep your guests satisfied. The cleaning tips we offer have a new SOP in mind. Hotel housekeeping has become more detailed in the age of COVID-19, which has resulted in hotels developing a new SOP, standard of operation. Hotel housekeeping room cleaning can be more challenging because of the new cleaning SOP in hotels, but it does provide confidence and safety to guests. Simply because new techniques have been included doesn't mean that the steps cannot be included in speed cleaning. Adding new techniques may simply mean developing a new cleaning routine without wasting valuable time. This hotel cleaning video aims to provide you some of those tips and tricks to help you or your staff to comply with the new SOP and still get the job done fast. Let's get to it. Hotel housekeeping top tips and tricks. But first, if you are enjoying this video, please subscribe to the link below and smash that like button. Number 1, create a room cleaning checklist that is in the order in which the guest room will be cleaned. Identify additional COVID-19 precautionary steps added to the new SOP and include the steps on the checklist. When the checklist is followed from beginning to end, backtracking can be avoided and time will be saved. That means work around the room once. Don't backtrack. Go around the room one time and you're finished, except for the floor. Number 2, vacuum the room last and back out the door while doing it. Number 3, clean top to bottom. Cleaning top to bottom will prevent you from re-cleaning all of the dirt and dust that came from above. Number 4, carry the cleaning products and equipment with you so you can avoid making multiple trips across the room. Number 5, 2 hands are better than 1. Use both hands while cleaning. If one hand is still while the other is in use, you are only using half of your workforce. Finish one area with one hand and start on another area with the other hand. When possible, both hands should be cleaning or studying an object. If you would like more cleaning tips or tricks, or if you have hotel housekeeping cleaning tips of your own, comment below. For more tips in hospitality, go to the link that is in the description below. Study and keep up to date.